Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this two-part series, we'll guide you through the proper cleaning of your car. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want to keep your vehicle looking its best, these tips and techniques will help you achieve that showroom shine. Let's get started with Part 1. The proper cleaning of your car. Enhancing appearance, protecting paint, and maintaining value. Properly maintaining the cleanliness of your car is not only essential for its appearance but also for its longevity and overall performance. Regular cleaning helps protect the exterior paint from harmful elements and prevents the buildup of dirt and grime that can potentially lead to rust and other damages. However, knowing the right techniques and products to use for a thorough car cleaning can be overwhelming. In this video, we will guide you through the proper cleaning process, providing you with expert tips and insights to ensure your vehicle stays sparkling, clean and protected. So, let's dive in and discover the best practices for maintaining the cleanliness of your beloved car. Importance of cleaning your car regularly. Regularly cleaning your car is not just about maintaining its appearance, but it also plays a crucial role in protecting its paint and exterior. Moreover, keeping your car clean can help maintain its overall value in the long run. Let's explore the reasons why cleaning your car regularly is so important. Enhances the appearance of your car. When you take the time to clean your car regularly, it enhances its overall appearance. A clean car not only looks more appealing but also gives off a sense of pride in ownership. It reflects your attention to detail and shows that you care about maintaining your vehicle. Protects the paint and exterior. By cleaning your car regularly, you can protect the paint and exterior surfaces from various damaging elements. Over time, dirt, dust, bird droppings, and other contaminants can accumulate on your car's surface, leading to potential damage. Regular cleaning helps remove these harmful substances, preventing them from causing long-term harm to your car's paint job and exterior. Maintains the value of your car. Properly cleaning and maintaining your car can have a positive impact on its value. When it comes time to sell or trade in your vehicle, a well-maintained and clean car will likely fetch a higher price than one that has been neglected. Potential buyers or dealerships appreciate a car that has been cared for, as it gives them confidence in its overall condition. Taking the time to clean your car regularly not only helps preserve its appearance but also protects it from potential damage and maintains its value. By keeping your car clean, you can enjoy a vehicle that looks good, performs well, and holds its value over time. So, make it a habit to give your car the attention it deserves and enjoy the benefits of a well-maintained vehicle. Remember to check out the following sections in this series about proper car cleaning, where we will discuss the best practices and techniques to keep your car spotless and shiny. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks to keep your car looking its best. Preparing for car cleaning. Before diving into the process of cleaning your car, it's important to make sure you're properly prepared. This involves gathering the necessary supplies, choosing the right cleaning products, and checking the weather conditions to ensure optimal cleaning results. Let's look at each of these aspects in detail. Gather the necessary supplies. To clean your car effectively, you'll need a few essential supplies. Here's a checklist of items you'll want to have on hand. Buckets. Get 2 buckets, one for soapy water and another for rinsing. Microfiber cloths. These are gentle on your car's surface and help avoid scratches. Car wash mitt or sponge. Opt for a mitt or sponge specifically designed for automotive use. Car shampoo. Choose a pH-balanced car shampoo that is gentle on your car's paint. Wheel cleaner. Look for a wheel cleaner appropriate for the type of wheels on your car. Brushes. Invest in various brushes for cleaning tires, wheel wells, and other hard-to-reach areas. Glass cleaner. Use a streak-free glass cleaner for windows and mirrors. Interior cleaner. Select an appropriate cleaner for your car's interior surfaces, such as vinyl, leather, or fabric. Vacuum cleaner. A portable vacuum or a vacuum with various attachments will help remove dirt from upholstery and carpets. Protective wax, sealant. Consider applying a wax or sealant to protect your car's paint after cleaning. Having these supplies readily available will streamline the car cleaning process and ensure optimal results. Choose the right cleaning products. Using the right cleaning products is crucial to avoid damaging your car's exterior and interior surfaces. Keep the following factors in mind when selecting your cleaning products. Car-specific products. Opt for products specifically formulated for automotive use. These products are designed to be gentle on your car's paint, wheels, and interior surfaces. Environmentally friendly options. Consider using eco-friendly products to minimize your impact on the environment and ensure the safety of the surrounding ecosystem. Read labels and instructions. Carefully read the labels and instructions on the cleaning products to ensure proper usage. Pay attention to dilution ratios, recommended usage surfaces, and any precautions. Avoid harsh chemicals. Stay away from harsh chemicals, acidic cleaners, or abrasive tools that may cause damage to your car's surfaces. By selecting the right cleaning products, you'll maintain the longevity and appearance of your car while achieving a pristine clean. Check the weather conditions. The weather plays a crucial role in car cleaning, as it can impact the effectiveness of your cleaning process and the drying time. Here are a few considerations regarding weather conditions. Avoid direct sunlight. Cleaning your car under direct sunlight can cause cleaning products to dry too quickly, leaving behind stubborn streaks and water spots. Choose a shaded area or perform the cleaning during the early morning or late evening when the sun is less intense. Temperature and humidity. Extreme temperatures can affect the performance of certain cleaning products. Follow the recommended temperature ranges provided by the manufacturer. Additionally, high humidity can prolong drying times, so take that into account when planning your car cleaning. Rainy or windy days. It's best to avoid car cleaning during rainy or windy conditions, as it can make the cleaning process more challenging and potentially introduce more dirt onto your car's surface. By considering weather conditions, you'll ensure optimal results and make your car cleaning experience more enjoyable. Remember, proper preparation is key to achieving a thorough and effective car cleaning. By gathering the necessary supplies, choosing the right cleaning products, and considering the weather conditions, you'll set yourself up for success in the subsequent steps of the car cleaning process. Exterior car cleaning. Keeping your car clean is not only important for its appearance but also for its overall maintenance and longevity. Regularly cleaning the exterior of your car helps protect the paint, prevents rust, and maintains its value. In this section, we will walk you through the proper steps to effectively clean the exterior of your car. Rinse the car with water. Before you begin the cleaning process, start by rinsing your car thoroughly with water. This step helps remove loose dirt, dust, and debris from the surface, preventing any scratches during the cleaning process. Use a hose or a pressure washer to ensure a thorough rinse. Use a car wash soap. Once you have rinsed off the loose dirt, it's time to use a car wash soap specifically designed for automotive cleaning. Avoid using household detergents as they may strip off the protective wax and damage the paint. Dilute the car wash soap in a bucket of water according to the instructions provided. Scrub the car body. Using a soft microfiber mitt or sponge, gently scrub the car body in a circular motion. Start from the top and work your way down, ensuring that every surface is cleaned thoroughly. Pay attention to areas that are prone to dirt buildup, such as the front grille, bumpers, and door handles. Clean the wheels and tires. Next, it's time to give attention to your wheels and tires. Use a wheel cleaner or a dedicated tire cleaner to remove dirt, brake dust, and road grime. Apply the cleaner and let it sit for a few minutes to break down the buildup. Then, use a brush with soft bristles to scrub the wheels and tires, reaching into crevices and spokes. Rinse off the cleaner thoroughly with water. That wraps up part 1 of our series on the proper cleaning of your car. We hope you found these tips and techniques useful for maintaining your vehicle's appearance. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Join us in part 2, where we'll continue to explore the best practices for car cleaning. Thank you for watching.